Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to update Roblox on PC or laptop. Alright, so first up, I'm going to show you how to update it when you have downloaded Roblox on the website, and the second one via the Microsoft Store. And again, if you just downloaded the game from Microsoft Store. So from website, just like what I have in here, all you got to do is just open up the launcher, and when you open it up, it will automatically detect an update, and you don't have to do anything as it will just install by itself. And once that's done, just go and find the game that you wanted to play. Just play anything and your game will be updated as well. All right. So I hope that's clear. So for Microsoft Store Roblox game, go ahead and find Microsoft Store in your search bar. Click on Microsoft Store. Now use the search box and just type down Roblox. Hit on enter. Now you'll find Roblox Windows right here. Just click on it. And if it says update, well, just click on update. Once that's done, you're good to go as well. So that's how easy it is to update Roblox on PC or a laptop. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.